There might be scenarios out there where your LLM doesn't provide omnichannel capabilities. That is, getting the input or output in the form of audio, images, etc. So, what can you do in these scenarios where you have to create a front end application which expects the input or output in that format? Well, I faced that same problem where I had to provide an input in an audio format and then send it to a legacy LLM which doesn't accept the audio format but it just does the text and then sends the response back in text format which I had to convert back into audio. But thank God I had the Mac AI Whisperer connector to the rescue. So let's look at how I achieved it and what it looks like. So first of all, this is my front end application which essentially records my message and send it to my MuleSoft API. So I click on start recording there and record my message and then I'll send it to my MuleSoft flow. What is the capital of England? I recorded my message here and then when I click on play API response, it will essentially give me the audio response back to my question.
The capital of England is London.
Now let's look at the behind the scenes of how it is done. So I've used Mac AI Whisperer connector here and essentially getting that audio message MP3 file over the HTTP, converting it into the format what is understood by this connector, and then connector does the magic. It takes audio as an input and returns text as an output. Now, through the connector here for AI chain, I send that to my LLM, and then LLM sends me the response back to my question, and that too in text format. And then whatever response I get, I again send it to another AI whisperer, which converts the text response back from the LLM into the speech format, and then sends it back to the API call. And that particular API call contains the MP3 file which is intercepted by the UI and it essentially plays that message back.